Your inbox is a trap. Every morning you open your email and feel that familiar knot in your stomach. Hundreds of unread messages staring back at you. You start scrolling, opening random emails, half reading some, ignoring others. Hours pass, and somehow you have even more emails than when you started. But what if I told you there's a better way? A system called Inbox Zero that can transform your digital life and reduce your stress dramatically. Inbox Zero isn't about obsessively deleting every email. It's about having a system that keeps your inbox clear and your mind focused. The goal is simple. Your inbox should be empty or nearly empty at the end of each day. But the method to get there is what makes all the difference. There are 3 core principles to master. Decide quickly, act immediately, and organize systematically. Let's break down each one. First, decide quickly. When you open an email, you have exactly 2 minutes to decide what to do with it. No exceptions. If it takes less than 2 minutes to handle, do it immediately. Reply, forward, or file it right now. Don't let it sit there gathering digital dust. If it takes longer than 2 minutes, move it to a designated action folder. Don't leave it in your inbox. As a reminder, that's what task lists are for. And if it's not important or actionable, delete it immediately. Be ruthless. That newsletter you never read? Gone. That promotional email? Delete. Now let's talk about organizing systematically. Create just 4 folders: action required, waiting for, reference, and archive. Action required is for emails that need more than 2 minutes of your time. Waiting for tracks emails where you're expecting a response from someone else. Reference holds information you might need later, like confirmation numbers or important documents. Archive is for everything else you want to keep. Here's the game changer. Schedule specific times to process your email. I recommend 3 times per day, maximum morning, after lunch, and before you finish work. Outside of these scheduled times, don't check your email. I know this sounds impossible, but constant email checking is productivity poison. When you do sit down to process emails, work from oldest to newest. This prevents important emails from getting buried under new arrivals. For each email, ask yourself 5 questions. Can I delete this? Can I delegate this? Can I respond in under 2 minutes? Does this require action? Can I file this for reference? Let me give you a real example. You receive an email about a meeting next week. It's informational, so you can't delete it, but you also don't need to act on it right now. You'd file this in your reference folder and add the meeting to your calendar if it's not already there. The email is out of your inbox, but not forgotten. Now let's address the biggest mistake people make, treating their inbox like a to-do list. Your inbox is not a task manager, it's a processing center. Every email that stays in your inbox creates mental overhead. Your brain has to remember what it is, what you need to do with it, and how important it might be. When your inbox is clear, your mind is clear. You're not constantly worried about what you might be forgetting or missing. Here's an advanced tip. Use the 2-minute rule, but batch your 2-minute tasks. Instead of doing them immediately, collect them and do them all at once. This prevents constant context switching. You can reply to 5 quick emails in a row much more efficiently than scattered throughout your processing session. Another advanced strategy. Be selective about what emails you receive in the first place. Unsubscribe aggressively from newsletters, promotions, and updates you don't actually read. Set up filters and rules to automatically sort certain types of emails. Newsletters can go straight to a reading folder, receipts to a finance folder. The key to maintaining Inbox Zero isn't perfection, it's consistency. Some days you might end with 3 emails in your inbox instead of 0. That's okay. What matters is that you're processing systematically and not letting emails accumulate into an overwhelming mountain that paralyzes you. Remember, every email in your inbox represents a decision you haven't made yet. By processing systematically, you're taking control of those decisions. You're transforming from someone who reacts to their inbox into someone who manages their digital communication proactively. Start tomorrow morning with these principles. Process your current emails using the decide quickly, act immediately, organize systematically approach. It might take you longer the first few times, but you're building a habit that will save you hours every week and significantly reduce your stress. Imagine starting each day knowing exactly what needs your attention, instead of feeling overwhelmed by digital chaos. Your inbox doesn't have to be a trap. With the right system, it becomes a tool that works for you, not against you. Master Inbox Zero, and you'll master one of the most important skills of the digital age, the ability to stay focused in a world designed to distract you.